natural plants to keep mosquitoes away. Lavender. This plant needs a well-drained soil. In addition to being a great tea ingredient, lavender can help keep mosquitoes away. This pleasant smelling plant can relax your mind after a long day and drive mosquitoes away. Rosemary. This plant helps keep away several insects. The main feature of this plant is that it repels away mosquitoes when burned. This plant's oil has also great benefits to skin and hair. Basil. Basil is toxic to mosquito larvae. You can put this plant near standing waters. This will deter mosquitoes from laying eggs. Garlic. Garlic smell prevents mosquitoes. Consuming garlic will repel mosquitoes away. Also note that this might keep everyone else away too. Peppermint. This plant might invade your garden if left unchecked. It is not only good at repelling mosquitoes but also help relieve discomfort from mosquito bites. Thank you so much for being with me to the end, and please hit the subscribe button for more interesting videos.